I'm Corey Clothier. I'm the founder and director of GenerationAV, Stantec's autonomous mobility team. And today we're going to talk about autonomous vehicle safety. So I'm really excited to bring Andy Smart. He's our advisor, our guru on autonomous vehicle safety.
I've been in the industry for 37 years, both from Europe, Asia, and actually for the last 25 years in North America. And about a quarter of my career has been involved in autonomy.
What do we mean by safety, especially when it relates to autonomous vehicles?
Basically, no harm to you or to others. So that would mean, as a driver or operator, no harm to myself if I'm in some kind of shuttle, to the passengers or riders, but also to either the other motoring public, vulnerable road users or pedestrians. I think the way things have developed over the last several years as autonomous vehicles have been still within the R&D phase and going into some cases more into development, these are big statements, and people are having to look now to see, well, how safe is safe enough and what does it mean? The expectations of the public are clear. They want a very safe system, and it's their confidence level and trust in these systems, whether it be in a personal vehicle they have or in an automated shuttle they're in. They must have trust in it, and if they have trust in it, they'll use it. If they use it, the business models work, and if they do, we will continue.
How do we, make sure that the city leadership, the mayors, the transportation agencies are comfortable with these, even within this test period and this R&D period, that these vehicles are safe for street use and then eventually safe for the public to ride?
It has to be done on a holistic basis. The organization, whether it's a public sector or private sector organization, you have to have a safety culture. And what I mean by that is the focus has to be on the end user or customer rather than just looking at the organization. The other elements, as we spoke of before, if you're testing the vehicles, you must have a hiring policy that brings in the right people and the criteria. You must have a comprehensive training program so people are involved as an operator of these vehicles who may have to take over at any point or maybe in autonomous mode. And you have to be ready to take over. You need adequate training. You need policies of what you can and can't do while you're in the vehicles themselves. So it's not just about the vehicle and is the vehicle safe, are we as operators and developers providing an environment that is safe for the vehicles to be in. It's good to get confirmation from an outside third party who've seen and done a few other things. It gives the organization confidence. I think looking to an established process, as we have, within Stantec safety verification process that we've developed, and we like to see this as a very holistic way to go about it. And so we're looking at it through the eyes of both the vehicle and also from the infrastructure and the organizational perspective. So we're looking at it through multiple lenses. The true success will be when the public trust and feel the systems are safe enough for them and their families to ride in them, drive in them, etc., or be operators or at least be passengers in it. That is when it will proliferate.